is a USB electric lighter. This is a 3-piece trimmer set. The electric lighter does not have any fuel, and the only thing you have to do is recharge it. And to light your candles, you simply push the button up. There are 5 blue lights that will let you know the amount of charge that you have. This is a 3-piece trimmer set. Depending on the type of wick that you have, can make a difference on whether or not you use a dipper or a snuffer. I'm going to demonstrate that with 2 different kinds of wicks. This is a wooden tube wick, and this is a cotton wick. This is your trimmer. You want to make sure that you are trimming your wick after every burn so that you don't get that mushroom that's on top, which will make your flame burn too high and can be of higher risk for fire. So all of these are great safety measures. So let's go and look at this first candle. This is our bamboo and coconut. It has a wooden wick. When you want to put out the flame, we're going to use a snuffer and gently put it over the wick. It extinguishes the flame and it stops you from blowing in all of the back exhaust that can come from a wick. This is your dipper. If you notice, it has a hook. The purpose of the hook is to help you dip the wick into the wax and then be able to lift it back up. So we have a cotton wick here. We're going to take the tip of the wick and dip it in the wax. It extinguishes the flame. You take the tip and straighten it back up. Now that both candles are out, we want to snip them. So you want to go about 1/4 in and clip the wick. You'll have some excess on your trimmer. So you just wipe that excess because you don't want any of the burn part to get into the wax of your candle. Then you go over and we're going to snip the other the same. So now your candles are ready to be burned the next time. If you use your lighter and as your candles start to get lower, you don't have to worry about dipping your hand all the way down the lower that it gets in order for you to light it. The length allows for you just to push forward and relight, just like that. Same, push forward and relight, just like that. Much easier to use than your regular old-fashioned lighter, and as long as you charge it, it'll always work. So this is our USB charge. This is a 3-piece trimmer set, our bamboo and coconut candle, and this is Nature's Growth.